Hi, I'm Kelly. I used to struggle with dry, brittle hair, and I used to have to wash and condition every single day. L'BRI has saved me time and money because now I'm shampooing once a week. Come get ready with me.
I'm starting off by getting my hair wet. Then I'm massaging the Aloe Clarifying Shampoo into my hair. This shampoo helps to deeply cleanse my hair and leaves it looking shiny and voluminous. I'm leaving that on for about 2 minutes and then rinsing it out thoroughly. Next, I'm applying the Aloe Nourishing Conditioner and I'm concentrating it on my ends. This helps restore strength and shine. Now I'm applying the Hair Repair Mask as a leave-in treatment to help my hair to be smooth, shiny, and soft. I love how it helps to nourish and hydrate my coarse, curly hair. I'm applying this in sections and combing it through using my fingers. Then, I like to scrunch my hair to help shape my curls. And that is my hair care routine featuring L'BRI's Aloe-Based Hair Care. Thank you for watching.